Hi viewers, welcome to the swing trading idea of the week. For this episode, I have chosen a stock from the textile sector and the name of the stock is Vardhman Textiles Limited. Vardhman Textiles is engaged in the business of manufacturing yarn, fabric, acrylic fiber and garments. Established in 1965, the company has manufacturing facilities in 18 locations in India. Through its sales network, the company has presence in over 75 countries. The company is catering to some of the big international brands such as GAP, H&M, Walmart, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger and so on. Now let us see the financials of this company. The company has been ramping up its manufacturing capacities year on year, so it has resulted in a good growth in its sales. Now let us see the sales. The sales in FY14 was 6,128 crores and it has increased to 9,505 crores in FY24, which means an increase of 55%. The profit before tax has been impacted due to the decrease in profit margin over last few years. The profit before tax in FY14 was 1,048 crores. It has declined by 20% to 835 crores in FY24. If you see the sales and profit growth in last 3 years, the sales has grown by 16% CAGR and the profit has grown by 15% CAGR. Even though the company has been paying dividends regularly, the company has not declared any dividend for FY24. If you look at the shareholding pattern, the promoters hold around 64%, the FIIs around 6%, the DIIs around 17% and public hold around 13% stake in the company. With this, it is evident that the FIIs and DIIs are very bullish on this stock. Before going to the chart analysis in the next stage, I have an appeal to make to you viewers. If you feel that this video was useful, kindly like it and share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. I have opened the chart of Vardhman Textiles in the weekly time frame. Overall, the trend is bullish. From 2018 to 2020, the stock was in a bearish phase. After COVID, the stock became very bullish. After hitting a peak price of around 565, the stock got aggressively corrected. It took support on 200 EMA. After taking support on 200 EMA, again it made a up move. Now I will change the time frame to daily. In daily time frame, what we see is that after trading below 200 EMA for about 4 to 5 months, the stock broke above 200 EMA and it started moving up by taking support on 200 EMA now and then. Now after touching the peak of around 589 rupees, the stock has got corrected. It has taken support on 200 EMA. So if you observe, it has taken support on 200 EMA 2 times before this. So it looks like the stock has a good support on 200 EMA. Now I expect the stock to move at least to the previous peak level of around 589 rupees. It comes to around 23%. I will keep a stop loss below this swing low around 433 rupees. It comes to around 9%. Time span will be 4 to 6 months. Some of the viewers have asked me, they are placing the order for a particular stock but it is not getting executed. The reason is that they are placing the order at a lower level. On that particular day, the stock is not going to that level and not getting executed, and at the end of the day, the order is getting cancelled. And next day, because they are busy, they are unable to place the order and stock is coming to that level, but since there is no order, they are not able to buy the stock. What is the solution for this? They have asked. For this, there is a good feature in Zerodha and that order type is GTT order. Now I will show you what is that GTT order and how to use that order type. Now let us see how to place GTT type order. Now let us consider that we want to buy this Taj GBK hotels. We want to place a GTT order for the Taj GBK hotels. For this, in the watch list, you go to this menu, click this more button, then click this create GTT. Now let us assume that we want to buy this stock at 290 rupees. The current price is 303 rupees. Now we have to set this trigger price. This trigger price should be slightly higher than the price at which we want to buy the stock. Since we want to buy this Taj hotels at 290 rupees, we have to set this slightly higher, that is, let us say 295 rupees. Quantity we'll put it as, and the price is 290 rupees. What is the meaning of this is that when the price comes to 295 rupees, the order will be placed and the order will get executed when the stock reaches 290 rupees. The 50 quantity of Taj VK will be bought at 290 rupees. When we click this place, you can see the GTT order is created. What is the advantage of this GTT order when compared to the normal order? In the normal order, you are placing the order, and if the order does not get executed on that day, then the order will get cancelled on the end of the day. And next day you have to place a fresh order. In the GTT type order, the order will be placed only when the trigger price is reached. Otherwise, the order will not be placed at all. So you don't have to place order every day. You can place the GTT order and forget it. Suppose the order, the trigger price not comes for the next few days, maybe next few weeks, you don't have to worry. Whenever the stock comes, you many times you might have seen there is a sudden unexpected corrections in the market and suddenly the stock comes down. But by the time you react, the stock again recovers. So you miss that opportunity. So in such situations, this GTT order type will help you to buy the stock at attractive price. Viewers, please note that this is not an investment advice. It is only fundamental and technical analysis of this stock. Hope this video was useful to you. I'll come out with another swing trading idea next week. Thanks for watching.